Before we look at this param, let me go to drafting, hatch, select this square, 45, scale 10, and hit OK. So we do have a hatch on this layer. Now, in Rhino 8, under geometry, we have the possibility to select the hatch. So right click, select one, there you go. And under the Rhino tab, we can find out with the ID the name. We can double click and get a panel. Here is what we have. And there we have a hatch. This is the name and this is the ID. And don't forget, and this is a plus, under sets, we can find a split. And look at this, 2 dots. So we can connect this one over here, type that character, and guess what? Copy paste. Now we have a list of 3 items, and we can easily capture the second one. All we need is list item, index 1, and there you go. We have the name of the hatch that we use in order to create this one. So we're gonna use that one in the next exercise, which is gonna be more interesting.